Hello and welcome. In this tutorial, we are going to reverse all the substrings given in brackets in a string. For this, we need regular expressions. If you don't know what regular expressions are, I will upload a separate video on that. For now, I will just use regular expressions to get all the substrings in brackets. So let's get started. Now we need to define a function that will return substrings for a passed string. For this, we will create a regex variable in which we will store our regular expression that will return our bracket strings for now. Let's store our bracket strings in a variable called bracket strings. For this, we will use regex library and find all method. Find all method will return all the occurrences of substring that matches that regex we have passed in that string. Let's test our method. Let's pass a string. Okay, this is my YouTube channel or YouTube video, and please subscribe. Please subscribe. Now, if it runs fine, it should return YouTube, subscribe and channel. Okay, fine, it's running fine. Okay, let's get rid of that return bracket strings. Now we need to reverse all the strings in bracket strings, and we will store it in a separate variable or separate array. Okay. Let's check our function by returning all the reverse strings. It should print all the reverse strings on our terminal. Okay, it's working fine. Now let's get rid of all the text on our terminal. It's almost done now. All we need is to replace our bracket strings with our reverse strings in our main string. We'll use our for loop to iterate over all the strings. Okay, so it's replaced, but we first need to get rid of these brackets. For this, we will replace all the brackets with nothing, and it should work pretty fine. So fine, you can see that we have replaced our all the bracketed substrings with a string that is reversed. Stay tuned for next video on our regular expressions and many more. For this you need to subscribe and make sure to press the bell icon.